Look, guava, a job. See them? Move. Be a guava drop off the tree. Look, quarter road. Alberta place. Fruitful to the tree. Yeah. Look. You see the guava them you know? You can't see them. See the guava tree shade. That's them good. But the ripe one them the way up top. Way up top the ripe one. Up top the ripe one them. Alright. This is one fruit, I'm gonna like it. So you see them steep and drive. Sweet sap. I go over the mango now. Alberta place. This is Alberta's place. And so we do it. Fruitful. I'll clean up all the yard now. Sweep up. And take up the mango and look. I take up mango this morning, you know. And now this afternoon, buy a mango. Look at the garden. Look this. The mango. But this is my ground plant vegetable and stuff. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, yeah. One little pumpkin. Look what I'm come to. This is spinach. Callaloo. Whole heap of young callaloo there too. Callaloo. Spinach, tomatoes, pop chow, one left. We should have put the tree full of blossom for true. No, so me I want mad girl. Chicken. Chicken them want food. Mama run. Them mango you have for chicken them. We give them the soft mango. Yep. The next one, at it. Sour soup. This is sour soup. One young one drop off of the tree. See? This young one drop off. The others, the mango tree and now people. That's the mango tree. It's the big one. It's the big fucking tree. Over here still. Now what next to yeah. Alright, we'll go over now to the June plum. This is a June plum tree. We have about 4 June plum. Yeah. And this is a young tangerine tree. Yep. Now, this is a precious lime tree. I love this tree. Big and nice and fruit. Next June plum tree, Tabir. June plum depend. Next June plum tree have a lot of young June plum on it. And them have some raspberry. I'm not sure. Shane them a grow. Soon can eat cherry raspberry. Raspberry tree, callaloo, yeah, so. And next year, callaloo, and we eat off of this. This tomato tree there. We eat a lot of tomato off this tree. See, we have some young tomatoes. Yep, that's how we're doing it. And we have plantain and we have banana. We cut a plantain the other day and we cut a banana the other day. So that's it. This is Alberto's. This is Alberto's garden. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Alright. Alberto's place. Alberto's place. Going back to the car park.